So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can customize the home screen character of the Counter-Strike Global Offensive game. The character that you have been seeing in the lobby, that you can customize that character, their guns, their weapons they are holding, and the characters that they have been. You can convert them from Counter-Strike to counter-terrorist to terrorist. So all you have to do is to just simply first open the game, and it's the most basic step. Now as you can see the home screen, the character is looking something like this. Now if I wanted to customize this, I'm going to see an option of a little settings option over there, over the below of the screen on the left right corner. Just simply click on this option. When you click there, you can see the basic options of the customizations. From here you can customize the scenery that has been in the background. You can customize the scenery as per your requirements. Like if I set this one, now if I want to customize the character as well, you can click there and you can first convert it to the a terrorist agent, or you can now you can convert the weapons they are holding. Likewise, if you want them to hold or any of the weapon you wanted, so you can do it by there only. You can see all the weapons that have been in the game are over there. You can make them and as per your customization, as per your requirements, and as much as it is suitable for you. So by this method you can easily customize the home screen character of the Counter-Strike Global Offensive game. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.